Are you so excited about tomorrow? I mean, it's like, oh, I love you so much. But do you love me? Okay, I'm better now. You really love me, sister. Do you? I'll keep doing it until you say I love you. Oh, and I don't want to get on your Facebook, okay? Bye-bye. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, bye.